What's up guys, it's Lauren with Layered Lifestyle. So the very first thing we're going to do for our top knot bun today is moisturize our hair with water. So I'm just going through and saturating my hair to make sure that it has moisture before we place it in this bun. Next, I'm using the APHOGEE RESTRUCTURIZER, and I use this to add protein and give my hair a good strong base before I do any styling so that it has enough protein. And next, I'm going through and adding Eco Styler around the perimeter of my hair. I'm only adding it to the perimeter of my hair because I don't like Eco Styler to be completely saturating my hair. So here you'll see me just going through with my detangling brush and going through and detangling the perimeter of my hair. And next I'm using two ponytail holders to gently place my hair into this ponytail, and I'm only folding my hair down once. So then the ponytail is not super tight, because ponytails do cause damage to your hair, so you want to be as gentle with this as possible. So what I do to help secure the hair is I'll go through and add an additional ponytail holder and tuck in any flyaways, and also just make sure that it's secured properly. Next, I'm using the Hicks edge control to lay down my edges and slick them down so that I can get any flyaways that are happening. So here you'll just see me working those flyaways down and making sure that everything is secure. If you have any ponies or any curls sticking out of your ponytail holder, just make sure to stick them into that loose ponytail holder, and this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed.